YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about lubrication or lube oil sampling procedure on ship. Let's see. What are those? The sample should be drawn when the oil is in circulation through a sample cock. The sample should be drawn when the oil is in circulation through a sample cock. Sample cock is provided usually on the discharge side of the lube oil pump. Okay. The sample should be drawn when the oil is in circulation and through a sample cock, and sample cock is provided on the discharge side of the lube oil pump. Before taking the sample oil, a sufficient amount of oil should be drained out to clear the lane. So we have to ensure that before taking the sample, a sufficient amount of oil it should be drained to clear the lane. Then sample collected to the cleaned container provided by sample test jab. It is rinsed with sample oil and immediately closed. Okay, after the sample container, it is collected in a cleaned container provided with the sample test jab. After it is rinsed with sample oil, we immediately close it. The following details should be attached to the container. We need to attach following details in the slip based on the container. That means engine type and number, engine running hours, lube oil running hours, fuel use, draw off point, date. Engine type and number, engine running hours, lube oil running hours, fuel use, draw off point and date. These are the following details that should be attached to the container. And we have to note that draw samples from connection that comes directly out of main oil supply line to the engine. Always take sample from same point and sample only when oil is up to its operating temperature with engine running. Like I said that the oil is in circulation. So draw samples from connection that comes directly out of main oil supply to the engine. Always take sample from the same point and sample only when the oil is up to its operating temperature while the engine running. So these are the things we need to do when lube oil sampling procedure on board. Thank you.